Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to use fire button in the DuckduckGo application on Android device. Well, understanding how to use the fire button in the DuckduckGo application allows you to quickly erase your browsing history, tabs, and data with a single tap. This feature helps maintain your privacy by instantly clearing sensitive information, ensuring that your online activities remain secure and private. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckduckGo application. And here, to know the function of this fire button, just tap on it. And here will be there two options: clear all tabs and data, and cancel. If you selected the first one, then it will burn all of tab on your DuckduckGo application and also its data. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use fire button in the DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.